When you open the SFR software, you're greeted with a login screen displaying your unit's name and firing range logo. You must enter the correct password to proceed, or the screen will shake to indicate an incorrect entry. A help button is available for contacting authorities if you encounter issues. To shut down the system, press the power button on the screen and drag down the shutter that appears. After entering the correct password, you'll see the dashboard. Here, you can select the type of target system and cameras needed. Choose the cameras to activate for bullet detection. Once the cameras are loaded, processed images of the targets appear, each with 3 buttons below the stream: Pause, Fuse, and View. We'll discuss these functions shortly. When bullets are detected and measurements are taken, the operator enters the soldier's name and weapon number for each target. You can fuse streams individually or use the Master Fuse button to combine and save all streams under the specified soldier's record. Individual scores can be viewed by pressing the View button under each stream. To access combat fire, slide the slider to Combat. This feature allows you to select the range for firing, and bullets fired from each range are saved accordingly. This helps soldiers identify which range they need more practice on. The database can be filtered and viewed in various ways, such as by grouping, combat, or specific date ranges. This UI integrates with the database, showing all data regardless of targets. The next tab is Database. Here, you can view units entered into the system. Select a unit to find records of its soldiers. Add new units by pressing the Add Unit button. Note that units cannot be deleted for security reasons, but names can be modified. An error will prompt if a unit already exists. Within each unit, soldiers are listed with 3 tabs: Soldier's Profile, Result Records, and Analytics. Result records contain all firing records for the unit, which can be filtered as needed. The application is user-friendly and meets all needs. The Analytics tab shows the unit's progress in both grouping and combat fire, and individual soldier progress can also be viewed. Once a soldier is added, they cannot be deleted but can be edited, with the last edited date saved for security purposes. You can download the database onto a DVD drive for transfer and upload to a different SFR system at another range. The next tab is App Config, which controls the application settings. It has 2 sections, IPs and Figure Config. IPs list all camera IPs, while Figure Config allows the operator to change system configurations like color and thickness. The software is highly user-friendly and requires minimal training. Its primary purpose is to simplify firing practices.